Hi, Clark students. Now we're ready to use Noodletools to cite a website, which I have to say is the most difficult choice of all sources to cite. So if we're back at our MLA Works Cited and we have our Cite A, we go to our pull-down menu and we select Website and click on Create Citation. We get our Show Me. We're going to hit Continue. And it brings us into the form. So unless the particular website that you have used provides the full MLA citation, you have to put in the information into the different boxes. Okay? If it does provide that information, you want to come here to where it says Quick Cite and click on Copy and Paste. And just like you do with a database, you copy and paste it right in. Many websites do not provide that information. Some do. So let's assume we're using one that does not. So our first box, we have most recent date of access. That's automatically filled in. That's when you looked at the website. The date of e-publication. So when was it published? So here I have this fascinating chart shows how Middle Easterners think about women should dress. So when it says January 8th, 2014 as when it was published. So I'm going to put that information in. Sometimes it's not that easy to find. And sometimes they just provide a year, a copyright year. And that's fine just to put the year in as well. Now we have our URL, so I'm going to copy and paste my URL in. And contributors. So now we have a pull-down menu. Author. Who was the author of this piece? And this actually provides Max Fisher. So we can put in his information. His first name was Max Fisher. All right. There we go. Web page or document article title. So that's this, whoops, sorry, wrong click there. That's this title right here. So I'm just going to copy and paste this whole title. It will change the format in terms of the size. Notice you get this little squiggly line here. It says it's suggesting some things for you. With this little exclamation, put your mouse on it, and it says the first letter of the words listed here should most likely be capitalized. I'm going to go back and fix that later. Let's go on to the name of the website. So the name of this website happens to be the Washington Post. I'm going to type that in. The Washington Post. And who published it? Probably the Washington Post as well. So sometimes it is repetitive, but there might be a different publisher underneath. It might say different company. I'm not seeing it, so we're going to add in again the Washington Post as who published it. Oh. Okay, the Washington Post, and we can shorten that. We don't need the and that's it. Usually the hardest part to get correct is the name of the website and the web page. A lot of students, I think, confuse those two things. So when we're all set, we can submit our work, and it puts it into our nice little format for us. Now I can go back and capitalize the words as I should. I can always edit, so I can go back in and edit that. All right, now we're all set. You've learned how to cite a website.